What is the single biggest factor that has continued the momentum of fatherlessness in Britain today? Hi, my name is Kasim, and for the last year, I've been doing research into the social and psychological reasons that leads to fatherlessness, that leads to absent fathers, deadbeat dads. And if me and you were having a chat and we were sat down having a nice coffee in Costa, Starbucks, you have whatever you want, your vanilla latte or whatever, and you were saying to me, Kasim, what do you think is causing this issue? What's fueling it? Honestly, if you were to ask me as Kasim, I would say to you, the single biggest thing is the level of shaming, judgment, and really just ridicule that these men who've abandoned their children or who are absent fathers or deadbeat dads experience. Meaning that as a society in Britain, it seems that we give empathy to absolutely everybody and we want to understand everybody and their context in practically every single area of life except for these men. And what really amplifies this and just demonstrates this is really part of the reason why I wanted to do this research, is that when I was trying to figure out why these men were abandoning their children, I only found one piece of article across the world. Can you imagine that? Of all the millions of pieces of research, you're saying to me that only one piece of research at PhD level exists on the reasons, on the psychological reasons why fathers leave their children? And to me, that just goes to show you, people don't even want to understand. People don't even want to give empathy. People don't even want to give context. People don't want to know. Everybody's blaming these men. Everybody's saying we don't want fatherlessness. But no one has bothered to go and ask these men why they're abandoning their children. The level of shaming that goes down. You know, when I first started doing my research at university, because I'm at university doing research about this topic, I had to go through an ethical board, and we have like peer groups where we support each other and we talk about our research and stuff like that. And the amount of people who are like, Kasim, you're not going to be able to do this research because ethically, these men are not going to want to talk about it. Because these men are not going to want to talk about it because they're going to be triggered, because they're going to be shamed. And so if you are asking me, Kasim, how do we change this issue? We have to stop shaming, we have to stop judging, and we have to stop ridiculing men who've abandoned their children and ask them why they are and support them.